Hi everyone, welcome to the another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this kind of water effect directly into the Lumion. There is no option to make this type of water effects with the boat. So in this tutorial I will show you how to do that. So let's check this. Alright, okay, let's go. This is my scene which I made, so you can see that. Right, look how smooth it is. Okay, let's start the tutorial. So this is my pre-made file which I already made, and I will show you the another model which I'm going to use in this tutorial. So just take the boat model. Let's choose this one, or you can use anyone whichever you want. I'm going to use this one. Okay, just place it here. Now just resize this a bit so you can easily see the model. Okay, let's go to the effects. There are many water effects. I will show you how to tweak that particular water effect for this boat. Let's try this one. These are the similar, so use this one. Okay, now let's tweak. It's setting as per your requirement. First adjust the rotation. Let's make it 90 degree, minus 90, and this fine is 0. Now increase the water pressure, as I want to show the long tail, as you can see in the previous version. You can adjust the foaminess as per your requirement. I made the thickness heavy just because of you can see the effects clearly. Just adjust its width and just move this water effect at the bottom of the boat. Let's increase the foaminess extra color so you can see that easily. Okay, just increase the size a little more bit. You can adjust the foaminess as per your requirement or as per your scene feel. Okay, I'm just show you the how it's work, how you can adjust these things to create a water effect, as Lumion never provide this kind of effect in their recent version as well. So tweak some. Just make it center. Just increase the emitter size. Okay, or you can use the another effects as well if you don't like this thing. There are two tutorials I have. So this is the first one, and I will show the next trick in the second tutorial, how you can create this kind of water effect with the another trick. Okay, let's adjust this water effect as well. Just make it little up, and just down this bit. Okay, just little pull this in front of this. Yeah, a little down, make it down. Yeah, adjust as per your requirement. Like I want to show these water effects from the front of the boat, so it looks more realistic. Like you can see the another one. Okay, just adjust these parameters as per your interest, or you can adjust the same parameters as well. Okay, let me adjust all this thing. Now let's add some people on the boat like this. In this, no, let's go to another one. This one, that is taking water ski. Just pull it here. I just rotation. Oops, not this one. Just make it straight, so you can make a group. Yeah, right, this one. Okay, just pull this back a little bit. Yeah, that's right. Now let's go to the effect and find the boat sound effect. This one, this one. Yeah, this one is perfect. Let's just make it here and adjust its distance, sound distance, so you can see the louder as you come near to the boat and as it's going forward, so sound going to down. Now let's select all this thing and make it group and save that group for just I already made the category. Just name it boat 2. Okay, so I can use this thing later as well in another scene. So let's try to animate this. Okay, first let's go to the forward from this area. Now just you can turn on and off your sound effect from here. Just let's go to the little bit far from this, so you can see the sound effect of this boat. Now let's make a animation. First create a clip. Let's go to the near the boat and just go a little bit down and just adjust the lens, focal length. I think it's fine. Yeah, take a shot one and increase the seconds. If you do not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the notification. Let's choose the advanced mode. Select the boat and create a key. Oh, there is a 5-second animation, so I need to increase the length of this animation. Let's make it 12. and go a little far. I think that's okay. Oh, it's 36, make it 12. Okay, now adjust the animation, select the board once again, make a key. Now go to the end of the animation. I'm sorry, just move this board far, that's okay. Now see, you can see that boat is coming and the sound is also coming, and the sound is going fade once it's going pass through. Let's make another screenshot. Just adjust the focus, go a little bit back and take a screenshot once again. Now just go a little bit down, take another shot. Yeah, now you can see this. As you can see that it looks like a water, or if you do not like this, so you can adjust the parameters of this water effects. So let's add the ray tracing so we can see this model clearly. Let's make it 12. You can adjust the flow of the front side water effect as per your requirement, as I showed in my sample. Okay, let's make a render, still render. Now you can see this water effect as it's similar this. You can adjust the parameters and you can get the best effect from this trick. I hope Lumion may add this effect in their later version. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this, please thumbs up, and I will show you the another method in the next tutorial. So please subscribe, like, and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you.